In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Xempire to Bybit. To get started with the video, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Telegram on your device, sign in to your Telegram account, and go ahead and search for Xempire. Now in here, go ahead and click on the play button to be able to start playing Xempire. Now this will redirect you onto the minigame of Xempire. So this is your homepage for your Xempire account. Now in here, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen. This will take you into the menu section. Now in here, go ahead and click on airdrop. Now go ahead and click on the connect wallet button and you'll be able to select which wallet to connect with your Xempire account. It is necessary to connect a wallet on Xempire to be able to withdraw your earnings from the game to your cryptocurrency wallet. So go ahead and click on connect wallet. Scroll right in this section since what we want to do is to connect this to Bybit, and click on the view all wallets. Now in here, go ahead and click on Bybit wallet, and once you click on Bybit wallet, you'll get redirected to the Bybit application on your device. In here, just go ahead and authorize the connection between your Xempire account and your Bybit wallet. So as you can see in here, you'll need to set up a Web3 wallet on your Bybit account. And this is where your Xempire account will be connected to. Click on the connect button to confirm connecting your Bybit wallet to your Xempire account. Now once you head back to Xempire, you'll be able to find the address of your wallet under the connect wallet section. That's how you can simply connect your Xempire account with your Bybit wallet. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.